another episode of Stay with Sri. Okay, so today I am in a place which has an entirely different vibe. For example, I'm sitting like right next to a pool right now, and that's like, oh my god, that's such a vibe. Anyways, so coming back to where we are right now. Today I am in this restaurant called the Beer Library. Obviously I won't be having beer because I'm a minor, but I will be having all sorts of food, all their starters, their pizzas, their mocktails, everything, and then I'm going to be rating them. And if you're a Bangalorean and you stay in Koramangala, then you definitely have to take note of this place because iska vibe hi alag hai yaar. Okay, so moving on to the food aspect of it. Today, first for starters, we have jalapeno fritters. They are these tiny kind of balls, which is like so adorable. And then, of course, you have fish fingers because I'm a Bengali and I cannot survive without fish. Anyways, so first, let's start with the jalapeno cheese balls. Why isn't this picking up? Okay, yeah. Anyways, so now let's see how it exactly tastes. Oh my god, look at its inside. Oh, there's the cheese inside it. I'm sorry if I'm making you guys extremely jealous of me right now, but I can't help it. Okay, now. This is so cheesy. Perfection. So good. Out of this world. It's like hot and kind of savory. It's amazing. But the problem is that it doesn't exactly taste of jalapeno. I don't know why they named it jalapeno. 8 on 10. Next, fish fingers. Look at its size. It's so huge. They gave it with veggies. Obviously, I'm not going to have that. Okay, anyways, let's have the first bite. It's really hot, it's really fresh, kind of lacking in seasoning, but I drowned it in mayo, so it tastes fine in me. 7 on 10. Okay, so starters isn't over yet. We have other stuff as well. So this is called a prawn firecracker. Okay, and just look at it. It looks like a firecracker. Oh my god. So this is a prawn firecracker. Let's see how it tastes. It looks pretty damn good.
But let's see. Okay, I'm just so worried this is spicy and I have zero spice on it.
Tastes pretty good. I expected it to taste all exotic and stuff, but it doesn't taste that exotic, but it looks pretty good and it tastes like your average prawn fries. 6 on 10. Okay, then now we have the pina colada. It's a mocktail. It's made out of pineapple and milk and coconut and stuff. It's extremely tropical and expensive and stuff, so let's have it. Tastes really good. Actually, it's got this amazing texture, but I think it should be thicker, but it tastes pretty good. So I'll give this like a 7 on 10. Now this is called the mango mystique. There's a mango candy attached to it, so I'm figuring it will taste pretty good because I'm a huge fan of mangoes. Good, but way too sweet and strong. But it's pretty good, so I'll probably give it like a 7 or 7.5 on 10. But the decoration is good. Okay, so this is what I ordered because I love aesthetic stuff and I love pink. That's why I ordered a berry potter. So yeah, so it looks super aesthetic, and being an aesthetic person, I'll add 3 points to it as from now only. If pink had a taste, this would be its taste. tastes really amazing, but a bit on the sweeter side. So if you don't have a sweet tooth, don't even think about having it. But if you have a sweet tooth like this is heaven. So 8 on 10. Okay. Now this is called the Kala Khatta, but it looks kind of violet, so it doesn't live up to its name. Anyways, let's see. This tastes really good, really authentic. Tastes kind of gourmet as well, and they are saying that it's Kala Khatta with jamun as well. So it tastes really good, and I think if you're somebody who prefers like balance of flavors and love the gourmet kind of thingy, then you should definitely have that. Now we have a naan. I have a naan with me, and it's been sitting here for like past 15 minutes. But now it's time to have it with the sheikh kebab. So now let's have it with the sheikh kebab. These plates are so tiny, I can't even fit everything in this. Anyways, so now let's have this, and I'm gonna dip this in mayo because I have everything with mayo. Naan's good, sheikh kebab's good, kinda leathery though, but that's fine. Taste wise amazing, no spices at all, which is really good. This will be around 8.5 out of 10. Okay, hi y'all again, and now it's time for main course. Okay, so first thing what we ordered for main course, because I am a pasta addict, so that's why we ordered an Alfredo. That's why we ordered an Alfredo white sauce chicken pasta. So now let's try it out. You can't see the vapors coming out this thing, but I am super worried it's gonna be too hot. Yeah. Wait, I didn't get the chicken. It's super hot, but it's super fresh and super creamy and white, and like the white sauce is like, oh my god, it's overpowering. It's really good. It's really good. The white sauce is super creamy. I'm in love with this pasta right now. So you probably guess it is 20 out of 10. It's recording. Okay. Okay, so I had everything. We had ordered like a huge slice of pizza. It was supposed to be this big, but unfortunately we are a little too full right now, so I won't be having it right now. But if I have it at home, I'll try to record it and add it to this video. But I would like to end today's restaurant vlog, guys. So as you see, I'm halfway through my Berry Potter. I finished my plate. I'm a little too full right now. Food here is amazing. The ambience is such a vibe, like genuinely. And there is a pool, and like the moon is also showing. It's super romantic, super aesthetic, and super cool. If you guys ever need like a good place to hang out in Bangalore, you guys can definitely come here. Food's really good, not like out of this world good, but really good. So I'll give this place an 8.5 out of 10. Pretty good. Until next time.